What is this?
So far as item number 1 and 2 of the Jaipur bench is concerned, this is with regard to the removal of encroachment from the public road. Initially, the PIL was in respect of removal of encroachment from Jaipur to Bagaru. Thereafter, the Honorable Court, by its order dated 5/3/2026, has held that it would be the present PIL would be treated as a continuous mandamus, and the Honorable Court has issued a direction to remove the encroachment from Jaipur to Ringas. Now, on the last occasion, the council appearing for NHI has submitted an additional affidavit stating that all the 272 encroachment have been removed.
All
My
right.
submission is that the similar direction.
But encroachments have been removed. Have they put the barricades? Not
No,
allowing
not, they have not put the barricades.
Yes,
Mr.
Pathak, what are you doing? You are in charge of NHAI. You are appearing for NHAI.
Yes, Malas, I am appearing for NHAI.
Why are you allowing the side roads and the main highway to be connected?
Malas, in fact, under Lordship's
You are made
directions,
it as if it is like as if it's a broad road. Any motorcyclist enters the highways.
Malas,
Main
as far
highway
as
road. There is no rule, no stopping of the cattle. There is no barricades.
Malas, so as per the last directions, Malas, regarding encroachments, we have given a specific affidavit that the first list which was given by us, it has all been removed.
You bring the details relating to the work allotted to your contractor, whether it included a barricades to be put between the side lanes and the main highway.
Malas,
What action have you taken against them?
I will inquire and I will place it on
their
record.
bills? Have you passed their bills for the construction of the road without their making the barricades?
Malas, I will inquire and I will get this information.
Get all the
on next
details.
day.
Get all the details.
Yes,
Not
Malas, I
like
will.
this. We will not allow this to get away like this from half-constructed roads.
Yes, Malas, I bow down, Malas.
And not only in this area, but in all the highways which are required to be constructed all over Rajasthan. You will have to show that you have put barricades on both the sides.
Malas,
There are two things. On expressways, you are required to make them at a higher level. You don't have to make side roads. On highways, you are required to make side lanes for the local colonies, so access to the local areas and to the various villages, whereas the highway remains barricaded.
Correct, Malas. Correct.
Whether that has been done or not, please.
Malas, we will. I'll place that entire the record on record on the next date. Watch may give us some time. And Malas, there
what about here? What about here? You are here for the highway?
Yes.
Yes.
So
you know that slight smile on your face has reflected that you are the person here for the highways.
Probably since Mr. Pathak
and that you are also caught on the wrong foot, right?
Since Mr. Pathak was facing
not Mr. Pathak, but yes, Pathak agreed.
I understand, Lordship.
See, this is a cause of worry. See, when a lot of accidents take place and motorcyclists, you have no highway patrol functioning in Rajasthan at all. Whereas if you go to south, there are highway patrol vehicles stationed after every 10 or 15 kilometers. And they are so strict, any motorcyclist cannot even think of entering in on the highways. Here you have even e-rickshaws going, sometimes even bullock carts. They can think of, doing adventurism on the highways.
The speed does not match with the.
And then you put the entire burden on those trawlers. You put it on the buses.
I understand Lordship's query. We'll see because all the agreements have different.
Are you not under the NHAI? You don't have any special patrolling units?
There is a provision.
Then why it is not being implemented?
The patrolling is there, but however the frequency is probably not there. As
See, your patrolling is only for the purpose of maintenance. We have seen those vehicles are there, but they just don't stop anyone.
as far as violation of regulations are
Not for
concerned,
maintaining the safety.
But that is part of maintaining the road. Safety is also as important as anything else.
yes, please. We'll ask them about this also. Detailed clarification.
And all your heavy vehicles, they are parked on the side roads, so that they are not access to the local villagers. Suppose there are two villages in between on one side only. Those people, they perforce they have to come on the main road, on the main highway, because that road is all totally blocked with vehicles parked there. You have to have specific parking zones. Everything is required. It is being done. Why not in Rajasthan?
We'll ask for all those details.
There is no will of the people. Will of the people means will of those who are responsible for getting these things done. Please note, file an affidavit.
We'll do that.
Call your chief engineer and NHAI.
We'll inquire about all this.
Yes, what assistance, Mr. Kothari, what are you?
No, I am the amicus in the matter.
Uh-huh.
No, initially this PIL started with 4 alleged.
We are not here to
No, it's
do
currently-
how story began. See, this
Currently, we are just getting
This
the
is a court.
status reports which are being filed.
what we want to know. You are alive to what is the problem here.
Well, we are.
What do you want to? How do you want to assist the court in this
Well, at
aspect?
this point of time, we are only compiling the status reports which we are getting. There is action taken report which is submitted. We've got an action taken report today also. One report.
Are you satisfied with what they are
We are
doing?
scrutinizing in the last action taken report. We had pointed out that there is a discrepancy between the encroachments which are identified by the NHI and the encroachments which are identified by the state government. There is discrepancy. Nobody knows. No, either
All right, add them together.
that.
See, what is important is not the discrepancy. What is important is that they may have identified some other encroachments. They may have added some more encroachments. That doesn't mean that it is discrepancy. The moment you say discrepancy, all of them will get away. What is important is to get them forced to remove those encroachments. Give us that these are the encroachments. We give you time once you have yourself identified it.
Yes.
How much time are you going to take to
We have
remove them?
already pursuant to the directions. We have already taken action. Many encroachments have
Actions.
no, many on site also. Many encroachments have been removed, and there are few encroachments.
I'm reminded of those half-baked food, half-baked actions, not completed.
They are in the process of taking probably removing all the encroachments. Many of the encroachments have been removed. A lot of litigation is also pending before the next single bench with regard to those notices and removal.
Sometimes we find that on the highways, what you have done is, say, suppose there is a house which has been constructed on the road, and you need only, say, your 20-foot road is already there, and you want it to be 30 feet, side lanes, what we are talking. So what you do is you cut 10 feet of that house and leave the rest for him. Is it not required that the house has to be at a distance from the main road? Apart from 30-foot road, you have to keep 5 feet for the pedestrians also. You'll have to remove that. You don't do that. They put their shutters right on the road. And when a trawler comes and hits that shop, then all
That is
chaos.
not permissible
That is what you're doing.
because most of the people, to the best of our knowledge, after passing of the orders in this PIL, they have received the notice, and most of them have been removed.
They don't leave that area for pedestrian purpose.
There is a provision. ROW is
Apart from that, there has to be a place for where there is a lane for water, which has to be so that the water does not get collected on the roads.
yes.
And after that only they can construct their.
Yes, the road
Shops.
and the ROW is the
जितना चाहिए होता है ऊपर लिखना चाहिए ताकि कंपनसेशन नहीं देना पड़े उतना ही दे के छोड़ दे
इधर काट दिया जैसे ये रोड हो गई और यहीं से हो गया.
That is
और फिर वो आदमी वहां से
impermissible.
उतर के आता है और सीधा ट्रक से भिड़ता है.
That is impermissible, sir.
That is impermissible, but that is happening. We are so many lives have been lost because of this reason.
We will. Otherwise, they have already identified.
This is because of your see, government, your NHAI, whatever, they are all abstract bodies. They are by those people who function there.
Indeed.
And it is their responsibility to see that but unless you act upon or take action against those officers, nothing will happen. And that requires a strong will.
We'll again instruct them, because otherwise, to the best of my knowledge, they have identified all the encroachments. Most of them have been removed. Few notices have been given.
Likhi, the learned counsel appearing for the NHAIs, both at principal seat, Mr. Mathur, as well as Mr. Pathak, shall submit a detailed affidavit. And Mr. Vigyan Shah, you are also there for state.
So I am appearing for
Yes, sir.
PWD mallards. Whose state?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Bharat Vyas
Yes, sir. For Union of India, sir.
shall, under the supervision of Sri Bharat Vyas, the learned ASG, file a joint affidavit as to the proposed plan of the officers and the authorities to work in tandem to develop a complete scheme of regular protection of highways from encroachments and from unnecessary plying of two-wheelers and civil and village vehicles, local vehicles on the main highway. The side lanes are required to be constructed and proper barricades are required to be made with suitable openings at appropriate places in a manner that no accident occurs. At the same time, regular patrolling both by NHAI authorities as well as by the state authorities by getting highway patrolling done should be
Ensure safety.
regularly maintained.
Road safety.
For the purpose of road safety, it is also essential that apart from side lanes, the shops and houses adjacent to the side lanes should be constructed in a manner that there is appropriate footpath. And before anyone can step on the road.
That is otherwise impermissible.
Any further addition which Mr. Kothari?
Highway of order dated 5th of February 26. This was the core issue. Your lordships, the coordinate bench took cognizance of the fact that there is something called as the building line and there is something called as the control line. So they said that the building line is 45 meters from the center of the road and the control line is 75 meters. So in total, what came out is that they have to leave a width, significant width, and most of the places are coming within this ROW, this right of way, which is otherwise prescribed. NHAI itself provided that this is the measurement which is required to be followed.
Even earlier, this court, while its order dated
5th February.
5th of February.
5th February 26, had specifically highlighted the area which is required to be kept apart for the main highway as well as for the side lanes and the control line. However, we noticed that no steps have been taken till date, and therefore we direct the learned SG to file an affidavit, also highlighting the officers who would be responsible in future for maintenance of the distance as above. Right? That's all right? Let the
Yes.
matter,
Yes, sir.
let
Yes,
the
my
matter
lord.
come up on 5th of August.
Ballots.
If I may just submit,
Ballots. Ballots.
Anything further?
so if I may just submit, we have given the details of the steps taken pursuant to this order, which is on record.
We are not satisfied. That's why we are saying so.
Ships have recorded that no steps have been taken. Probably
लिख
satisfactory.
दीजिए कि the steps already taken are not fully satisfactory.
Bless.
Obliged.
Obliged, well.
Obligements.
Yes. Who is come for vacation of interim order?
7th. Private correspondent mood